I was general manager of a business in Mobile, and had to have some medical procedures done that were outpatient. I turned in a medical excuse over a week prior to the procedure. Had the procedure done. The day following the procedure, I'm still off according to the doctor's request. I get a phone call from a gentleman that kind of runs the business, but he actually is not an employee, nor is he an owner. He just strictly makes those decisions. And he started asking me some things pertaining to work. I told him I was aware of everything that he questioned and that I would be back and I would take care of them. He started just kept on and on and on. Our conversation got a little sideways, and I reiterated, I'm aware of everything you're saying, but I'm on medical leave. You're going to have to wait till I get back. His words were, I'm sorry, but I don't think this is going to work out anymore. I need to send after your company vehicle, and I'll bring your personal belongings. I said, no, I'll come get my personal belongings, and I did. And when I was there, I confronted him, and I said, do you mean to tell me you're going to terminate me while I'm on medical leave at no fault of my own? And he said, just take it for what it is. And I said, would you put that in writing in my separation papers? And his words were, have your attorney call me. So that's as far as it's been. And I'm just asking for a little direction.
Yeah. And thank you for your call. This is a situation we see a good bit. We're starting to see it more and more right now with what's going on. There are several federal laws that protect people, such as the Family Medical Leave and as far as Americans with Disability Act. Whether you fall within the purview of one of those two laws right now, I wouldn't know. I would be more than happy. There are several lawyers in this area that handle these types of cases. And if you and I speak off the air, I can tell you who to speak with as far as, who can look at that to see if you have a case. One of the difficult things in the state of Alabama is an employer can get rid of an employee for any reason or no reason at all. But there are certain situations and instances where they cannot. And those are federally protected classifications such as age, race, gender, national origin, religion, things of that nature, and also with people with disabilities. But there are some exceptions, and whether you fall into that situation, we would have to see. But don't give up. But you need to act and act in a hurry because of the statute of limitations on something like this.